Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what access you still have: the old phone, printed backup codes, or account recovery emails. Once done, list every account that used Google Authenticator so you can tackle critical ones first. Make sure both new and old phones are charged and on the same Wi-Fi. This speeds app transfers and reduces errors. Why this matters: preparation avoids getting locked out of banking or email. Now open Google Authenticator on the old device. On the old phone, open Google Authenticator and choose Export Accounts. This generates QR codes or a secure file. Use it if available. Once you select the accounts, switch to the new phone, open Authenticator and choose Import. Scan the QR codes. If an account lacks export, use the account's security settings to get a new QR or manual setup key, then add it on the new phone. Make sure to sign into each service and enter the code to confirm it works. After confirming every service accepts codes from your new phone, disable or uninstall Authenticator on the old device to prevent confusion. Next, save backup codes for each account in a secure location and enable alternate recovery methods like phone numbers or secondary email. If a code fails, check the new phone's time synchronization settings. Authenticator is time-based, so incorrect time breaks codes. If problems persist, use backup codes or account recovery, and then reconfigure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.